ice drink. You can order. What do you have here? You got your Modelo, Heineken. Wow, we're enjoying it. How many did you get? Gave you lots of ice too. No wonder they like you here. Dad, tingnan mo yung ginak.
Ha? Ang kamukha itong bakla to.
Yuji na to, oh. Si Biche.
Ako, kaya makakataon na to.
Are you gonna go there?
Nasaan ang Modelo? Gusto mo Modelo o Heineken?
Modelo.
Modelo?
Hindi naman ako umiinom na dati niyan eh. Tinuturuan mo ako mag-inom ah. Excuse me.
Tanda ka na, di dapat. Ganun simula ng mga hindi mo nagagawa sa buhay. Hindi.
Ani, parang naantok ako lalo.
Yan talaga pagka tumatanda na. Video mo yun? Oh, galing ha? Oh, diba?
Punasan mo, parang madumi.
Diba?
Ang kainuman mo. Hindi naman ganun kalakas.
Oh.
Here, we're done for the day in the beach. We're going to the pool now. What's our dinner tonight again? What did they say our dinner?
What?
Our dinner is Las Olas.
Ano?
Okay, we're going to the pool now. Did you find it? Huh? Nasa ako. No? It's too sweet. Honey, look!
Así que suelta la
El Vivo Pool Terrace.
Ano yung show El Divo?
I don't know what that is. We're gonna get a car or we're just gonna walk.
Ano? Naka-video ka na ngayon?
Ha?
Naka-video ka na. Gusto mo bigyan kita ng ano, bulaklak oh. Ang ganda ng bulaklak oh. Oh, hindi mo, bigyan ka ng bulaklak oh. Hindi ka rito. Bigyan kita ng bulaklak. Oh. Alam niyo naman si Aling Liit oh.
Fruit.
Oh, hindi mo, bigyan mo ng kalachuchi. Kalachuchi lang katalo na oh.
Dali, put it in there.
Ah. Ayaw pumasok.
Lasing ka na kasi.
Duran mo. Kasi nandiyan ang eyeglasses mo. Oh, yan. Yan naman si Aling Lid. Halika rito. Halika rito. Oh, tignan mo naman si Aling Lid. Oh, wow, may kalachuchi sa tainga. Oh. Oh, tama na.
Do not pick flowers.
Para sa'yo, hindi sa akin. Oh. Diyan, sa kabila.
Honey, ba't ka nagtatagalog?
What do you English?
Say it in English.
Where's the hole? I can't find the hole. Oh, no.
Oh my God, what do I look like
Ito
now?
pa. Oh, yeah.
What do I look like?
Si Aling Late. Ah.
Flowers. Okay. What? What do you want to show them? Whoa!
Yan.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Ang daming mangga, oh. Lots of mangoes. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Oh,
How
di
you
ba?
gonna get
Ito
more?
lang, oh. Nasa baba.
Ang galing, ano?
Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo.
Very good, ah?
Hey, look.
Oh my God! It's a
Oh,
lot.
dami. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Oh, para ko nasa Pilipinas. Ang dami mangga, oh. Di ba? Nagsawa na kami kanina, kaya ayaw ko nang pumitas. Diba? Oh,
Yeah, and over there. Look.
sana yan. Pero sawa na ako eh.
Oh, look at this, honey. What is this?
Oh.
Pomelo?
No, this is not pomelo.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Wow.
But it's not pomelo. But it's nice.
Oh, so good.
Amigo! What is this? What kind of
Pomelo?
fruit? What kind of fruit is that?
Fruit, ese no fruto no.
It's not a fruit?
Ese es una base se llama calbas.
Albas, so it's not a
Albas.
fruit, huh? I
Tá
see.
duro, tá duro.
Oh, it's not something to eat.
No come, no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one is mango over there.
Mango não mapa come.
Yeah.
Mango is good.
Yeah,
But this one is not something to eat? Are you sure? Oh,
Really good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ang gagawin nito? What do you need?
Carlos! Ready? Ready?
Stop.
Oh, let's go.
Nice try. Nakangiti lang si Lolo eh.
Harap na siya. Ano ito? Madami. Napaka-healthy. Napaka-healthy.
Uh-huh.
Healthy siya. Parang ano lang, plastic.
Yay! Wala man lang ngiti si Manong.
You want something to drink?
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.